Hello, everyone. My name is Jason Bessinger, and the title of my speech is Get to Know a Little About Me. Um, I chose this photo in hopes that, you know, hopefully in general, it'll help you understand where I'm coming from as far as me defining myself and who I am as a person. Um, I have a love and a passion for being outdoors, hunting and fishing, wildlife, and the environment. And not only have these things had such a positive impact on my life up to this point, but they have also helped me decide on my career and where I want to go as far as from here. Um, you may ask yourself, well, how in the world does someone who hunts and fishes have such a respect and love for wildlife? There's there's a moral code and a sense of respect for the laws of the land, and not only laws of the land, but actual laws in general that go along with the sport. But there's rules and regulations to follow, but there's a there's a sense of brotherhood and camaraderie and traditional things that you pass down from generation to generation to kind of help have help you have these fond memories. Like I have memories of me catching my first spot-tailed bass, me taking my nephew to harvest his first deer. I mean, those are things that are what makes the sports and the actual situations moving to me. And not only that, just being outdoors in general, uh, looking at a sunset that someone would probably pay to see, witnessing the wildlife and how they interact with the environment. Some of the scenes aren't so pretty. Um, Pollution, uh, and those type of scenes have also helped me develop a decision on my career, and that's why I'm attending Central Carolina Technical College to become an environmental engineer to protect the environment and the people in it.